Mr. President, on what legal or moral basis does your government, in its language and policies, continue to classify colored, Khoi, San, Indian, and other non-Nguni and African-speaking minority communities as not African in particular, despite their deep historical roots in this land? Will you admit, Mr. President, this is exclusionary and that this policy amounts to constitutional discrimination? And will you commit to ending all exclusionary language and policies by recognizing all oppressed peoples in government and constitutional definitions, including recognizing the Khoi and San as South Africa's Aboriginal people, along with all oppressed peoples regardless of race, whether colored, Indian, or other communities, as full indigenous Africans in both status and benefit under the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People, which we signed in 2017? If not, why not? If so, when will you make this declaration? Thank you.
Honourable President.
Thank you. I see Honourable Douglas was reading continuously without remembering what I said at the beginning. Because if he had paid attention to what I said, I did say, Honourable Douglas, that yes, it is most unfortunate that the classifications that we inherited from apartheid have tended to continue. And our clear intent is that we should see those classifications of our people withering away. Because we are all Africans. We are all South Africans. There should never be a sense that there's any group that is more special than any other. We are all equal, and that is precisely what our Constitution dictates and declares. So as we move forward, as I said in my initial reply, as we move forward, our objective is to consolidate the unity of our people as one people, as Africans, because that's what we are, as South Africans, properly endowed with an identity of being who we are. And this government has no intention, no program that identifies one group over any other. It does, however, say those who were previously disadvantaged. As our Constitution says, in the Equality Clause, our Constitution is quite clear and explicit that measures need to be taken to bring about equality, to redress the imbalances of the past. So in our quest to redress the inequalities of the past, yes, measures will be taken, legislative and otherwise, to make sure that we show up and bring up those who were previously disadvantaged. And they include all those that you mentioned, all those, as you said previously, oppressed people. That is our objective. And I'm happy to repeat what I said to you or to this House earlier, to yourself, when we are one-on-one, because I'll repeat it more clearly. Thank you, Honourable Chairperson.
Thank you.